Hi, my name is Nikki, and in this video I will tell you everything you want to know about our BUBO. The BUBO is the pinnacle of system lighting for poultry houses. It is a high-performance lighting solution for in and below system application. It has been especially designed to improve life for both poultry and farmer. For poultry, it improves vision, reduces stress, stimulates feed and water intake, and more. This all combined makes the bird see, feel, and perform better. Higher poultry well-being and performances surely benefit the farmer, but there's more. The BUBO is problem-free for years, easy to clean, very energy efficient. Combined, this makes the farmer's life easier and improves farm results. The BUBO is available in different length and light color combinations. Have a look at our website or contact your sales representative to know more about the possibilities. BUBO, the pinnacle of system lighting for poultry houses.